She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was young.
And I got melanin. Oh yeah, I got melanin. We got melanin. Melanin. And we got some fat ass too. We can shake it better than you. We got colleges. Yeah, full lips, no collagen. No, we got the brains and beauty. Deji give a brain solution.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another crochet style. As you can see, these are crochet box braids. Yes, like they're crochet. You can't even tell, like, I'm just feeling myself. Like, oh, yes, sis. Okay, but yeah, these are crochet box braids, and you like cannot even tell these are crochet. Like, just look. And at the front, as you're gonna see in the tutorial, I did these in like the individual crochet method. My daughter is yelling. Yeah, so I did these the individual crochet method in the front, and like just like the perimeter, and on this I have like a few on the side, and in the back, let me see, like these are the individual crochet, but the middle is just cornrows and the braids are crocheted in. But I just love them so much. Like, these are by far the best crochet box braids you will find. And like the ends look so real, unlike the other ones. Now, I've had other crochet box braids, like I've had the features that usually most people get. And just to show you, okay, see, this is the Freetress crochet box braid. See, and these are what the ends look like. You see, that doesn't look very natural. You can like obviously tell it's crochet because it's just blunt. But these right here are tapered off at the ends, which I freaking love, and like you cannot tell there's crochet. So I will be getting these again, and this is what I used.
It's by Spetra, S-P-E-T-R-A, Spetra, and yeah, I have the color 99J, and this is 3 inches. Next time I make it between 6 inches, just because, I don't know, I switched out for a little bit longer.
But yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking now, and let's just jump into the tutorial. Okay, now I'm just showing you guys my braiding pattern, and in the front you can see I sectioned off for the individual crochet, and I had about maybe 8 braids going just straight back. I really don't remember. And the bottom and the sides I also did the individual crochet, so you can see that I sectioned that off. And this makes easier so I can basically put my hair in a high ponytail, a high bun, all that. That is why I did the individual crochet on the sides and in the back. So just the basics. If you watched any of my other videos, you know how to crochet by now, so pretty simple, just watch.
Tell the truth, who you with? How would you
So this is what one pack looks like so far. And I haven't did the bottom crochet yet. I did that last.
Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game.
So I finished the whole middle section, and now I'm going to show you how I did the individual crochet. If you've seen my faux lock video, then it's pretty much the same process. And this is kind of hard to explain, so if you watch it, you should catch on. So I'm starting by putting the hook under my braid, my real hair, and then I'm going to hook the crochet hair on and pull it through, and then at the bottom I'm just going to pull my hair and pull the crochet braid through, just like I would do just like a regular crochet. And now I'm going to take the hook and put it in the braid, and take my hair and hook it on the crochet hook and pull it through, and just repeat the same steps until all of my hair is inside of the braid. I hope I'm doing a good job at explaining this. Like, I'm trying. I don't know if it's working, but I'm trying.
This question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game, well, you cannot say my name. I never say that. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Somebody acting strange. If nobody's holding you back from me, say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. We'll try to change it now. Saying you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice, heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game. Well, you cannot say my name. I never say that I do so many things. I'm going down just the way it seems. You know somebody acting strange. If nobody's holding you back from me.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to purchase these braids, the link will be in the description box below. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.